Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can boost your FPS on Delta Force, how you can fix FPS drops, fix lags, fix stuttering and freezing. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to always update your operating system. So go to settings, then go to Windows Update, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so here. Same thing with your GPU, depending on what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an NVIDIA app where I can simply go to drivers and install latest drivers if it's available for me, and then just restart your computer. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up Task Manager, and before you play a game, just close all the apps that you don't use here, and also go to as you can see here, startup apps, and disable all the startup apps that you don't use as well, and leave it just with the ones that you often use. All right, so this is the first step what you need to do here. Next step what you need to do here, you just need to right click, show more options, and video control panel, then go to change resolution, make sure the refresh rate is set to maximum that your monitor can hold. Then configure surround 5x. Make sure that processor uses your GPU. Then go to manage 3D settings. You can be on the global thing here, and then you can tweak few settings here. So first of all, you need to scroll down until you see monitor technology. Make sure to be on G-Sync compatible. If it's not available for you, go with a fixed refresh, right? Next thing what you need to do here, you need to find power management mode. Make sure it's prefer maximum performance, refresh rate highest available, then texture filtering anisotropic sample, make sure it's on, then quality, make sure it's high performance, trilinear optimization, make sure it's on, and threaded optimization, make sure it's on as well. Then VSync, make sure it's off, and virtual reality prerendered frames, make sure it's on too, and apply the changes on the bottom. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. Then you need to go to gaming, go to game bar, make sure this option is turned off. Then go to game mode and make sure game mode is on. Then go to search, go to services, click on one of the tasks here and press S until you see, as you can see here, sysmain. So right click on it, go to and press stop, then go to properties, and then startup type, make sure is disabled as well. And the next step what we need to do here is to go on Steam, find Delta Force, right click on it, go to properties, then go to general, and then just on launch option right minus use all available cores. Then go to installed files, go to browse, and then here you need to be on game, then go to the Delta Force binaries, Win64. Then here you should find Delta Force client shipping exe. So first of all, just copy the path because we'll need that later, and then right click on Delta Force, show more options, properties, then go compatibility, select this option, disable full screen optimizations, and then select change high DPI settings, override high DPI scaling behavior, select application, right? And then you can close this window here, right? Then you just need to go on search and write graphic settings. Then on graphic settings, make sure that optimization for windowed games is enabled. Select advanced graphic settings. Make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on as well. Then select add a desktop app, and then paste the path that we copied earlier, and then add this file, right? This exe file, and then it should appear on the list. And what you need to do here is to just click on it, go to GPU preference, and make sure to use high performance, right? And then you can close this window here, right? Another thing that we need to do here is to select edit, just write edit power plan, then you need to go to power options, then select ultimate performance or high performance. If it's not available, if it's ultimate not available on your PC. Then next thing here, go and look for view advanced system settings. On view advanced system settings, go to performance. Then you can select here adjust for best performance if you want to, but I don't really like it, but you can look it if you want to. Then go to advanced, go to virtual memory, and then select custom size, and then you need to pull out your calculator and your gigabytes of RAM. So first of all, go to system information, then here look how much RAM do you have. For me, as you can see here, I have 16 gigabytes. So your number of RAM you need to duplicate by 2000, and you'll get 30. In my case, it's 32,000, and I like to put it on initial and maximum size here. Apply. OK, right? And the next thing, what you need to do here, you need to go to storage settings, and then go to temporary files and select recycle bin as well, and remove all the temporary files that you have. This will also help with the game. Another thing that you need to do here, you need to open up game, open up task manager, then go look and find the game. Let's say it's Delta Force, right click on it, or simply go to details, and here it should be a exe file, and look for your game exe file, right click on it, then set priority and set to high. And if you have problems with lag and other internet related issues, what I suggest you to do here is to first test your internet speed. If you have good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, limit some devices and restart your router if it's available. Still, if it's not working, then go to and write command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to look and write IP config /flush DNS, and another command is winsock reset. After that, reset your computer. Then go to settings, then go to network and internet, then go to advanced network settings and reset your network here. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again, and if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. Next thing, you can change also the DNS settings. Just find your internet connection, more adapter options, double click Internet Protocol version 4, and then use the following DNS server addresses and just write Google ones, right? 8.8.8.8, and on an alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. And now we can go with in-game settings. So guys, we are in game, and if we go on settings on top right, and if we go on the graphics, we can change some settings. So first of all, make sure that display mode is on full screen. I'm recording this video, so it's more convenient for me to be on the borderless. Resolution and display refresh rate should match your monitor. Then, as you can see here, in match frame rate cap, make sure it matches your monitor as well. For me, it's 240. For you, it can be 144 or more. Then, this is totally your preference. And then, fast sync and VSync should be off. Field of view, I like to go with the maximum. And then here on basic graphics, make sure it's on custom. Turn off anti-aliasing. Then, weapon motion blur. Then reflection should be low, texture filtering should be high. If it's lagging, go with medium. Ambient occlusion off, particles distortion low, scene details and scene view distance medium. Right, rendering scale, as you can see here, there is a little thing here. So match the line or go with 90, and then depth of field low, global illumination quality low, shaders, textures, and streaming medium. If your GPU is quite good, you can go with a high if you want to. Shadows, shadow map, post-processing, volumetric fog, and animation should be low. Super resolution mode should be turned off, or you can use NVIDIA DLSS if you're using NVIDIA GPU, or if you're using AMD, you can go with this. and then NVIDIA Reflex low latency, make sure it's low latency, and apply the changes, and that's basically it. So if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.